Do you have strong intuition? This video outlines 6 signs of a highly intuitive person. What is intuition, anyway? Well, it is linked to both psychology and spirituality, and it's a lot more than just having a gut instinct. It's about being able to sense things without even trying. What makes someone highly intuitive is their natural ability to tap into their intuition as often as possible so that they're able to get really clear on what needs attention at any given moment in time, or sometimes even before anything happens. Stay tuned to know how to use your intuition or how to listen to your intuition. Then his video will help you get an idea of where you stand when it comes to using your own internal guidance system. If nothing else, this list will give you some insight into what makes highly intuitive people so good at intrinsically knowing things. Have you tapped into this sixth sense? 1. Listen to your body. Something is off, Quilter. It is as if you and your body are talking to one another. Aware of burnout. 2. Deep thinker. Introspective. Like to let mind wander. The could OFS if you spend a lot of time doing this, you might be intuitive. 3. What people need. Sense emotions without words. Your intuition is probably strong. 4. Nagging feeling that will not leave your mind. Billboards or music jog your memory. 5. A good judge of character. Sometimes intuition will tell you people are not who they say they are. Sense their thoughts. 6. Dreams are vivid and often insightful. Intuition closely tied to subconscious mind. Dreams seem like reality. Intuition is a powerful gift. The more in tune with this compass, the more likely you will succeed in life will be easier.